Hello, and welcome back to Shiba Inu Land, where we bring you the most recent and intriguing Shiba Inu news. We're giving away 100 million Shiba Inu coins to those who are watching. All you have to do is upvote, subscribe, comment #Shiba Inu and watch the video to the end to be eligible. The winners will be picked next month and publicized on the community page of the channel. Shiba Inu News just received a $100 million investment from Vitalik Buterin. According to Schubert YouTuber and tracker, based on the burn volume in September, it would take 25 years to bring 90% of the original Shib supply, but even then, Shiba believed you knew it might not be worth $1. If 90% of the initial supply were burned, $100 trillion would remain. Your tokens were circulated by Shiba. Shiba acquired a $5.7 billion market cap. We will discuss Vitalik Buterin in this video, which just spent $100 million in Shiba Inu. Shiba brought you fresh information today. On the most recent information on price forecasts and expert analysis for Schubert don't forget to hit the thumbs up, share, and channel. Let's start the video now without further ado. As of October 13th, Shiba had acquired a total of 1,223,516 new investors. The amount is 9% greater than the previous day's total of 1,114,483 according to CoinMarketCap statistics. Analysts predicted that when the popularity of cryptocurrencies declined, interest in the meme currency would decline. The Shib team is searching for ways to execute initiatives that will increase the profitability of cryptocurrencies, but they are not giving up on the asset. For a few more years, Shib burning would need to go on until there were only a few billion tokens left. But that is based on data from October from back in July, when Shiba reported that it would take 10 years to burn off 90% of its stockpile. Depending on the size of the burns, Shiba Inu has already burnt through 41% of its initial supply, thus encouraging individuals to burn Shib might push the price much closer to $1. However, Vitalik Buterin actually burned through the majority of that sum in a single transaction. Since the previous 18 months, only 0.2% of the stock has been consumed. Shiba would like you to consider her as having burned some of their own tokens. Then initiatives were established to fund Shed burning with a portion of their income. Recently, the Shiba Swap lead development team has taken control of the burn portal to provide a stream of passive money to everyone who burned Shib. Each of these initiatives will enable Shiba Inu to overtake rivals. Shiba burns cost $17,500 in all in September. That is 11 times as much money as was spent to burn one Shiba Inu quarter sheet. The recent uptrend in the price of units has reversed because there is no longer any upward momentum. Shib will therefore probably reverse recent gains and decline before retesting a crucial support level. She might use price fell 11%. To tag the fair value gap FVG on October 13th that ranged from $0.00003 to $0.0000092, Shib recovered its losses and closed at a higher price than when it opened as a result of the extremely turbulent occurrence that day. While encouraging, this development lacked further development. She outperformed us as a result, and the price has been fluctuating. Shib will probably keep losing weight if the price of Bitcoin cannot stabilize and start a rebound. The FBGS lower limit at $0.0000083, which is close to the point of control or POC at $0.0000081 and the level with the biggest volume of trading since May 2021, is one of the critical levels to keep an eye on. One of these levels might be an excellent spot to recheck for accumulation. Investors can expect the Shib at a new price to cause a reversal if the market conditions have improved. From the standpoint of market makers, the equal highs at $0.0000179 would be a nice location to start dumping. This change would amount to about 119% of the mains, and it is probable at this point that the meme coin's upside potential is limited. On the other hand, the bullish thesis will be refuted if she produces a daily candlestick closure below the POC at $0.0000081 at its price. Shiba price might decline in this scenario, and we might test the $0.0000074 support level. Traders who trade this pattern typically search for long positions. The space between the head and the neckline serves as its breakout target. Shiba's price is currently only a little bit below the neckline resistance. Investors won't likely sell until the NVRV returns above the mean line, so a break above that same level is required to confirm the trend's validity. To verify a 16.25% breakout to $0.00001 to $0.08, there is a stronger likelihood that demand will increase and shear will move north. Due to the unfavorable state of the global economy, the bear market appears to be persistent and far from over. In order to avoid bull traps, traders should think about taking early profits. Particularly when knowledge from the IMAP model buy into the Blanc is taken into account. Shiba price recovery may falter at $0.00011000. The purchase of 23,200 addresses to 67.33 trillion Shib tokens are present in this region, and if the price rises, these holders might sell some of them to make a profit, which would increase downward pressure. Ethereum was founded by Buterin, a Russian-Canadian who was born in a tiny town close to Moscow. He co-founded Bitcoin magazine in 2011 and was a pioneer in the cryptocurrency industry. Along with Gavin Wood, Charles Hoskinson, Anthony Diarra, and Joseph Lubin, he established Ethereum in 2015. Currently, Vitalik Buterin has a $1 billion net worth. The other token is linked to the Ethereum blockchain and is used to pay for financial services and the sale of non-fungible tokens and other digital collectibles. On November 8, 2021, ETH reached an all-time high of $4,818.08, giving the other wallet a value of $1.71 billion. In 2021, Vitalik's net worth fluctuated greatly. In January 2020, the Glooby marketplaces opened. ETH traded for $3,683.05 at its start. But he nevertheless maintains his status as a billionaire. He also owns substantial quantities of other meme-related tokens, including $500 billion in Dogecoins in 2021 and $505 billion in Shib and $50 billion in Akita. The Indian COVID-19 Relief Fund received $100 million in Shiba cryptocurrency from Vitalik Buterin. Additionally, Dogecoin and Shiba Inu are now approaching terrifying red zones as a result of the Luna calamity. He gave the Dogecoin Foundation over $1 million worth of ETH. After winning the 2014 World Technology Award, Buterin was named to Forbes' 2016 Fortune 40 Under 40 and 2018 Forbes 30 Under 30 lists. He developed the concept for Ethereum with the ambitious goal of fundamentally re-architecting the web after speaking with Bitcoin developers from around the world and realizing the potential limitations of the currency. He aimed to develop new and improved Bitcoin applications and scaling. The merger that replaced Ethereum is the crypto industry's most eagerly awaited event. Currently at 2 points despite mounting opposition to BOW mining's excellent energy efficiency. Crypto aficionados are becoming more and more familiar with the POS consensus. The current ETH 2.0 Shiba Inu has fared well for investors since it was developed, and Ethereum development operations have been on a lengthy trip to release it since 2020. And it is a terrific illustration of why investing early in cryptocurrency projects may pay out handsomely. Shiba had a terrible year in 2022. But the price forecast for 2023 indicates that Shiba may be a good investment. Alternatively, Shiba's price in 2025 may also indicate that Shiba is a good investment. However, if you're a cryptocurrency investor seeking for significant returns, you should look for another project that is still in its early stages because this one lost more than 50,802,530 Shib in 6 transactions over the course of the previous day. Based on the Sheer Burn Twitter username. The Shib Burn Initiative reported that on October 16, 6 transactions resulted in the destruction of 20,757,815 Shib tokens. In 48 transactions during the previous week, 395,803,998 Shiba Inu tokens were burned, bringing the total amount of Shib burned since October began to hundreds of millions. From the initial quantity of 1 quadrillion Shiba Inu, 410,382,016,984,249 had been burned. A slight increase in significant transactions could be a sign that whales or other large holdings are starting to move into the market. However, transactions frequently exceed $100,000. And according to the Blanc, big transaction spikes, either in the buying or selling of huge transactions, increased by 31% and were linked to increasing activity from whales. Shiba Inu started a bull run around a year ago and concluded a bullish pennant over the previous day as Shiba keep trading above the $0.000010 level, culminating to its current all-time high of $0.000088. Shiba Fresh has dropped over 88 points, $36, from its top at the moment, placing it in the same category as other cryptocurrencies that have been impacted by unfavorable market conditions. Commencing with January 1, 2022. That's all for today. Please remember to give this video a thumbs up, share it, and subscribe to our channel to see our most recent material.